Today we will be talking about the poem The Kite, written by Harry Ben. So the poem goes like this. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. So in the blue sky, in the clear blue sky, when the kite is new, it seems it is very, very bright. With a dive and a deep, so this is the motion. It is a wave-like motion that you would find in a sea or in a water body. Okay, it's a wave-like motion. It's a very soft motion that is there. Okay, so it's a wave-like motion. It snaps its tail. Snaps is the cracking sound that you get. Snap is the cracking sound that you get. So that is snap. Cracking sound that you get. Then soars like a ship. What is soars? Soars is fly high. It is fly high. Soars like a ship with only a sail. Sail is the cloth that is tied to the ship. If you have a ship, you will have a cloth which is tied. So that this is known as a sail. Okay. So here it states in this way, how bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. With a dive and a deep, it snaps its tail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. So in a clear blue sky, the tail of the kite, it makes a cracking sound as it moves very softly up and down. Then it flies high. It soars like a ship. It flies high like a ship with only a sail. There is only a sail in the ship. Now coming to the next. As over tides of wind it rides. So it can jump on tides. It can just cross the tides along with the wind. It rides. Climbs to the crest. Crest means mountain top. Crest means mountain top. So it moves along the mountain top of a gust and pulse. Gust means it is a sudden blow of wind. Gust is a sudden blow of wind. So, of a gust and pulse, then seems to rest as the wind falls. So, it comes to rest as the wind stops. Okay, so next this paragraph I will just do it once more. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulse, then seems to rest as the wind falls. So it says here, it moves through the tides and over the mountain tops, and along with the wind that is blowing, the sudden wind that is blowing, the flow of the wind, it completely goes. Whenever the wind blows, it creates a pull and it again goes higher. Then seems to rest at the wind as the wind falls. So when the speed of the wind it decreases, it will seem to rest. When it comes to rest, then what happens? When the string goes slack, slack means loose. When the string goes slack, you wind it back. Wind means turn it, roll it back. Okay, so you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill and goes up, and up it goes. So when the string that you fly the kite with, it becomes loose, you try to wind it back, you try to roll it back, and again when the wind blows, it will again push its wings and it will go higher up. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new, but a ragged thing you never will see. What is ragged? Ragged is torn. Okay, a ragged thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. So in the top of the tree, when it just flaps, it just swings itself on the top of the tree, you will never see it, you will never know it, you will never find it also. Okay, its importance is completely lost when the kite is torn away. So that is the poem by Harry Bain, The Kite. So thank you. Here are the word meanings. Dive and dip is a soft wavy motion. Soars means fly high. Snaps is a cracking sound that is produced by the tails of the kite. Crest means mountain top. Gust, sudden short blow of wind. Windfalls means speed of the wind that decreases. Slack is loose, and raggeder is torn. Thank you.